Hi, Amber here for another Teen Crafternoon. Today we're going to be making DIY rainbow slime, so let me show you what you need to get started. First, you're going to need Elmer's clear glue. You don't need this much, but this is just what we bought. You also need contact solution. Any brand will do, but please make sure that you look at the ingredient label. It has to have boric acid and sodium borate in the ingredient list. You also need shaving cream. Again, any brand will do. You can add food coloring, but it is optional. And then you just make sure that you have a clean work surface, some bowls, measuring cups, and whatever you want to use to keep your space clean. A spoon also will help. All right, so to get started, we're going to take our Elmer's glue and we're going to take a quarter cup or half of a quarter cup. I'm just going to use half of a quarter cup. So just fill up your little measuring cup about halfway. And pour it into your bowl. And then you're going to take some food coloring. I've been doing about 6 to 9 drops, but you can do as many or as little as you like. Because we're going to be adding shaving cream, the color is going to come out as a pastel. And then take your shaving cream and you're going to do a quarter cup. It is hard to measure with the shaving cream, but you can honestly just guess because you'll most likely need more later once you're mixing. And then you're going to want to stir these with a spoon until it is well incorporated together. And as you can see, it's already getting a little sticky. And then once it looks like it's all mixed together and in a solid color, we can add our contact solution. So you can start by just adding 1 or 2 tablespoons. And again, you don't have to. You can guess if you need to. And you'll most likely will need to add more as we go along. And then you're just gonna mix until you cannot mix anymore because the mixture will be too thick. I'm going to add a little bit more shaving cream to this and a little bit more contact solution. A bit of a tip is that more shaving cream will make your slime fluffier and more glue will make it slimier. So as you can see, it's starting to come together and get that consistency that we want. You want it to not be sticky so that when you're ready to knead it with your hands, it won't stick to your hands so much. And then from here, we just knead it with our hands until it's the desired consistency. And if it sticks to your hands too much, this is where you're going to add more contact solution. This will get pretty messy, guys, so make sure you have a pretty good workspace. Okay, after it starts to not stick to your hand as much anymore, you'll know that it's ready. And then we can start adding in other little bits and bobs if you want to. Okay, so after you reach the desired consistency, your slime should be ready to go. You'll know that it's ready when you can press your hands into it and it does not stick to your hands. That's where you get that nice little squishy feeling. And from here, you can add a couple of things. If you want, you can add scent to it, but I just recommend you only do 1 to 2 drops and no more than that. You can also add beads to your slime. Like this one has some beads inside of it. And then when you're playing with it, it makes like a nice little sound and it has like a nice sensory experience. So other than that, that's pretty much it. You can make, as you can see, you can make all different kinds of colors. I don't want to mix these because when you do mix them too much, it will end up turning kind of like a gray color. But up until then, you can, you know, do whatever you want with them at this point. It's purely just for fun. Well, that's all we have for today. So if you want to share this with us on social media, you can using the hashtag FountaindaleLib, or you can visit our YouTube channel at fountaindale.org/YouTube. Please let us know if you enjoyed this craft, and we hope you guys have a good day. Bye.